Hi, guys. Welcome to day 3 of distance learning for Mr. Muller's 7th grade class. So let's talk about the agenda for today. The recap of yesterday's work. Yesterday, you were supposed to read pages 47 through 51 in the science textbook, Diversity of Life, and answer the questions on the Google Classroom form and then submit them. There is some issues with some assignments being submitted. Some of you or most of you that have Miss Meyerson for language arts, you probably got a video with her explaining how to turn in and officially submit something through Google Classroom, and that's why you can see my screen here. If you go to the Google Class page, I'm just going to click on hour 1, but I did it for every single hour. I added her video to all of my classrooms. So Miss Meyerson explains how to submit Google, classroom assignments and a few other things. So here's our 3-minute video. I highly recommend that you watch this video. I'm not going to go through it all, but I highly recommend that you watch it. Okay. Just a real quick note for my advisories and my advisory students only. At 10 a.m. today, so if you're watching this video prior to 10 a.m., just know that there is a Zoom live chat at 10 a.m., as you can see here on the daily learning agenda for April 1st. And that one is just going to be showing off pets. So it's going to be basics about, how do we run Zoom meetings? What's the etiquette? How are you supposed to act and behave? And what we're going to be doing every Wednesday and stuff like that. So most advisory teachers, if not all of them, are going to try to get the Zoom chat at 10 a.m. tomorrow, or excuse me, today, I should say, for every single Wednesday. So not just this Wednesday, but we're going to try to make it consistent that every Wednesday, all the advisory teachers are Zooming at around 10 o'clock. Okay. Let's talk about context. So if students that do have internet, right, you're watching this video now, obviously, if you have internet, but those students that do not turn in assignments for, let's say, Monday's assignment. Let's say I have a student that didn't turn in Monday's assignment and it's already Thursday. That's when I'm going to make a call to the parents or one of the teachers, depending on if you have missing assignments from other classes as well. We're going to make a call after 3 days of those students missing assignments if they've missed it for 3 total days. Now, if you complete that assignment, we'll go back and we'll change those grades and all that stuff. But right now, attendance is tied to completing assignments. So if you don't complete an assignment, you're considered absent, unexcused for those days. And up to 3, 3 of those unexcused absences for my class, or if it's many classes, we're going to make a call to the parent. If it's 5 days, then the principal or Mr. Granovich steps in and they make a call, because we want everybody on the same page. Hopefully by the end of this week and to start of week 2 in distance learning, we won't have too many issues. This should be a little bit easier for students to be able to go online and figure this stuff out instead of coming to class for 7-8 hours, and then having all that homework pile up. It should be easier to get done because you'll have the whole day to work on about 2.5, 3 hours of work. Okay. Let's talk about today's assignment. So today's assignment is on the daily learning agenda. You're going to watch this video, of course, which you're doing right now. And then you're going to read pages 52 through 55 in the science textbook, and you're going to answer the questions on the Google Classroom form that I have made. Very similar to what yesterday's was. And you're just going to answer the questions that I have, and then you're going to click submit, turn in, and you'll get a score out of 5 points roughly of how you're doing. And then I'll enter that in the grade book and so forth. Okay. So if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I had a Google chat with a student today, which was very helpful. They had a question about assignment. Instead of the emails waiting back and forth, there was just a chat box popped up, and I chatted with them, and we went back and forth for about 5 minutes, and they figured out a lot of stuff, and it was really helpful for me to communicate. So that's probably the best way, if you can just go to Google Chat and type in, my name, my email, whatever, and then ask me questions if you have questions on assignments or reading or stuff, and all that good stuff. So if there are any questions, please do that. Uh, it is Wednesday, is our anti-bullying day, so wear orange if you can. Go outside if it's nice and enjoy the weather. We will talk to you soon. Bye.